Hey guys, welcome back to my crazy big black family guys on YouTube, and this is Vlogtober day 11 and Vlogtober day 12 guys. Welcome to my channel guys. I apologize for having to do two vlogs at once, but I've been very busy and actually very busy and working, running errands, running my business, taking care of my business, taking care of home business, and doing all kind of things. So I haven't had a chance to like sit down and actually vlog for the last, like, sometimes I might not get a chance. So what I'll do is I'll do like two vlogs in one. So this is Vlogtober day 11 and 12, and what I'm doing on this Vlogtober is I'm just gonna do a vlog about dedication to your subscribers and loyalty to your subscribers. And what I mean by that is because I had actually did a video, a live stream yesterday, and I had touched on this, but I figured, you know what, since I didn't do a Vlogtober day 11 and 12, and today is Vlogtober day 13, so today I'm going to actually do another vlog today. So you'll be getting another vlog today as well. This vlog is, though, like I said, loyalty to your subscribers, really being there for your subscribers or showing them the love that they show you. Now, the reason why I'm doing this vlog is because I think that it's important to point out the fact that everybody on YouTube or anybody that's on any of these social media pages or anything like that, we have to start our pages and our followers, our social media off by having people who follow us, by having people who watch our channels, by having people subscribe to us. So we need you guys as much as you guys need to watch our videos, watch what we post, or get a notification about a recent upload that we might have done. We need you guys just as much as you guys need us. And the reason for saying that is because in needing you guys, we should be appreciative for the views that you guys give us. We should be appreciative for the likes you guys give us. We should be appreciative for the comments in the comment section, whether they're good or bad. It's still interaction with your channel, and we should be appreciative of that and for that. And for that, I say thank you for that to my subscribers. I think the last time I checked, we're at 3,240, might be 41. So for that, thank you to all 3,240 subscribers on our channel. Every single one of you, new, old, recent, residual subscribers. And I say residual because I mean that you might have been here since I had my other channel. So thank you guys so much for being subscribers on my crazy big black family. But in turn, we also have to be there to show you guys the respect. And how do we show that? You give us a comment, we reply to your comments. You reach out to us, we reply back to you guys. It's only takes a few minutes to do that. It only takes just a few minutes to be empathetic or to show compassion or to say thank you for taking the time out and watching my video. Thank you for taking the time out and writing something in the comment section to interact with this video that you just seen up posted or recently uploaded. That's what interaction is. That's what appreciation is. That's what we have to do as far as content creators for our subscribers and the people who watch our channels. I apologize in advance for the grainy video. My grandson, however, dropped my phone yesterday. Not dropped it, he threw it. I'm not happy about that because I'm noticing now that I'm recording that my phone seem to be like a little grainy. So yeah, I'm not liking that at all. But and I just got this phone. That's the crazy part about it. I ain't had a phone in a minute, and now I just got this phone, and now he done threw this, and now it looks like a little grainy. So I don't know about that, but I'm gonna have to record from the other way or get another phone or use my daughter's iPhone because I'm not liking the way that's looking. But it kind of presents a like nostalgic kind of look, so. But whatever, I digress. The reason why I'm saying that though is because, and I had touched on this yesterday in my live stream vlog, is that when you reach out to a content creator and they don't show you any support, or they don't respond back to you, or they don't give you any kind of like any response or any kind of inclination that they even care that you're watching their videos, or that you're responding to their videos, or that you're commenting, then you begin to feel like, well, what is the point of me watching these people, or what is the point of me watching this channel? So in turn, Vlogtober Day 11 and 12, I did this video because it is just simply a video to let people know, one, thank you. Thank you for you guys subscribing to our channel. Two, appreciate the subscribers that come to your channel. Three, respond to the people that take the time to reply and comment to you. Respond to the people that may leave a message and you don't respond back. Even if it's not something you like in a message, then, you know, like it or whatever, but just at least respond to let them know, oh, there's somebody behind that that comment section, there's somebody behind that channel, because I'm reaching out to them, but I don't hear back. So that's the reason why I'm doing Vlogtober Day 11 and Vlogtober Day 12, because interaction with our subscribers and our followers is important. It is a must-have in order to be successful in our social media world. It is a must-do in order to have people continue to watch your channels, or continue to be interested in you, or continue to be faithful to your channel. You can't expect a person to be faithful to your channel if you're not faithful to them. You can't expect a person to like your videos if you're not giving them any reason to like your videos. You can't expect a person to share your videos or go tell somebody about your channel when you're not being interactive with them, or you're not showing them love, or you're not, you know, they send you a comment and you don't respond back, or any of that, and you wonder why you may lose subscribers. You wonder why you may lose followers. You wonder why people will stop watching your videos in fullness, because it's like, why? They don't give me the time of day, so why should I? I hope this video was informative for you guys, because it actually is important that we pay attention and we recognize our surroundings, which is our subscribers, our surroundings, which is our viewers who watch our videos and our channel. Without you guys, we wouldn't be here. And as cliche as that may sound, it's so true. I say that all the time. I've been saying that since my other channel. We wouldn't be a channel without our viewers and our subscribers. No, that's so true. We really would not be one. And I don't just say that because I'm piggybacking off of somebody else who said, oh, I wouldn't be here if I didn't have... No. I'm saying that because it's true. We wouldn't be a channel if we didn't have people subscribe. We wouldn't be monetized if we didn't have people subscribe. We wouldn't be viewed if we didn't have people subscribe and watching and viewing. So for that, we have to have those people as, you know, how can I say, keep them comfortable, keep them coming, keep them wanting to be here and be on your platform and be on your channel and be on your, you know, following you. Because if you're not giving them nothing, or you're not being there for them, then why would they be there for you, if that makes sense? So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys on your next upload, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to reach out to your subscribers. If they send you a comment, go in your comment section, respond back. Don't forget that every single video or upload or post that you do would not be anything if there was nobody to watch it. Thanks for watching. Bye.